Hello everyone, today we'll walk through a case on a BMW 3 Series with F chassis. We're going to refit a HUD system onto this vehicle. This BMW 3 Series does have factory trim levels equipped with HUD, so we just need to purchase the matching HUD hardware parts. We look up the corresponding spare parts based on the car's VIN code, then complete the retrofit programming with our THINKCAR 394. First, enter the coding and programming menu. I highly recommend backing up vehicle data before making any changes. Back up each system one by one separately. When writing configuration codes, the tool will automatically code each corresponding module. Remember to record the auto-coding process. If you need to restore files later, you can accurately revert each system to its original state. I don't recommend one-click full vehicle coding backup, as this backup method is not reliable enough. Next, enter the Retrofit menu and proceed to the next page. You'll see an option labeled Vehicle Order Change. Click into it. This list shows the factory original vehicle command parameters. Make sure you note these values down. The interface looks complicated. Let me break it down for you. First, there's a function to save current FA data. We strongly suggest saving this data before starting any modifications. This page stores all factory configuration codes of the vehicle. Look at the SA section here. It lists dozens of configuration codes. Take code 2VB as an example, tire pressure monitoring system. Scroll down, we've already added code 610 BMW head-up display to this car, which enables the HUD function. There's a reference list you can open to check all available codes, and you can use the search bar if you're unsure which code you need. 610 is the dedicated code for BMW HUD systems. We have two core steps for the retrofit. Install the physical HUD hardware. Add the matching configuration code in the scanner. If the vehicle does not carry the 610 code by default, we need to add it manually. Select the SA tab, which stands for Option Codes. This section lets you remove existing factory options or add new ones. Simply input 610 into the parameter field and confirm, and the code will be added to the list. 610 is already listed on this car, so I'll delete it temporarily for demonstration purposes. Once the configuration code is added, hit Continue, and the tool will run automatic coding. After coding finishes, the HUD function will activate on the vehicle. This demo car already has code 610 written, so I won't re-input it here. This is purely for demonstration. One critical reminder: always back up vehicle data before performing any coding operations. The restore function is available right here, and you should also back up external coding files separately. You can enter the coding page to run an extra backup. Backing up all vehicle data beforehand prevents permanent data loss. If you have the correct vehicle data ready before modification, feel free to use our THINKCAR 394 diagnostic tool for this retrofit process.